What is this now? What is this now? What is this now? What is this now? What is this? Oh God, Holy Ghost fire devil! Jesus, what is this? Hey, Karim, don't go there! Twice. Holy Ghost fire! Now custom be this. Now custom. No, Sonny, no do. Sonny, no do.
You do that.
I get that.
Why are you fighting like this? I don't want to fight.
Can someone do that in your office? Can they do it in your office? Can they do it in their office? Can they do it in your office? Can they do it in their office? Can someone do it in their office? Can they do it in the office? I collect all of them. Arrest him. Can they do it in the office? Come here. Kasim! Can they do that? Can they do what you did in your office? Can they do it in your office? Can they do it in your office? And why? Can they do it in your office? Twice you don't do. Can they do it in your office? They fit one for their own office. When they enter here, come they beat people. Enter twice the office, they beat twice. Enter twice the office, they beat twice. They fit one for their own office. Can they do it in their own office? Enter twice the office, they beat them. He used my phone up. Enter his office, they beat him. Another press office. Enter his office, they beat him. Another press office. He used knife for this man body. They just entered twice the office, come they beat the man. So what's happened? Okay, it's annoying. It's annoying. Just enter his office, they beat this man. Listen,
Oh, wait, I didn't see.
because to be custom officer. Because to be custom officer. You can't fight the people for waiting. Give me this. Madame Jean,